Hello everyone, and welcome to another great episode of the TSTC Minute. I'm Belinda, and joining me today is Shannon.
With a month left of school, SGA is still in full swing with tons of planning and excitement for the Student Leadership Banquet that is just around the corner.
SGA is not the only TSTC department hard at work. Check out what else is going on here at TSTC.
Financial Aid will be having a pre-loan session for all first-time borrowers. This session is required before receiving your first disbursement.
It will be held twice this week, with the first session on Monday, July the 20th at 3 p.m. and Tuesday, July 21st at 10 a.m. in the LRC's orientation room on the first floor. To register, please log on to the website below.
Also on Tuesday, July 21st, Campus Catholic Ministries will be having their weekly prayer meeting at noon in Building J, the Chemical Environmental Technology Building. For more information, please contact Cristina Aldape at 364-4137.
Attention all graduates. As you come closer to your end here at TSTC, we want to congratulate you on your great accomplishments and success.
To all those graduates who borrowed a loan, we also want to remind you that before you rush off to the grad night, remember that you must complete an exit loan session.
Now this week, there will be 2 sessions available. These sessions will be held at LRC orientation, and all students need to register for this event at the website listed below. If you have any questions, contact the Financial Aid Office at 956-364-4330. And now, for our club highlight. Last week, we spoke with our first place winners of the club point system, the Dental Explorers. And this week, we are highlighting another club we think you should know. Take it away, Shannon.
Thanks, guys. So for the past couple of weeks, we've done some interviews with the academic clubs here on campus. And this week's a little bit different. Today we're here with the Billiards Club, a recreational club on campus. I'm here with Zachary and with Christina. Now, Zachary is the representative for the club, and Christina is one of its members. So, Christina, what is a recreational club?
Well, it's just one of those clubs where you just come and you get together, have a good time, play pool, and make new friends.
Good. And Zachary, so what's the Billiards Club all about?
We are all about playing pool. All day long, yeah.
Anytime. And so how do you become a member of this club?
Well, to be a member, anyone can join, and it is a $10 fee to join the club, and if you want a shirt, it's an extra $20.
So for some people who don't know anything about pool and can't play, what's the skill level required to be part of the club?
The skill level is from no knowledge at all to you're like an expert and can whoop everyone in the club. It really doesn't matter.
And will you guys give lessons as well?
Oh, yeah. Just ask away and we'll help you the best of our abilities. So.
Excellent. So what kind of events do you guys do as the Billiards Club, Christina?
Well, we do have pool tournaments, and we are having one next Friday. It's a $3 entry fee. It will be in this room at 12:30.
Good. And do you guys do any other events at the Billiards Club?
Yeah. We have actually a raffle coming up for a cue stick and case. It's $2 a ticket. If you want to buy one, just come find one of us in the club.
Excellent. Thanks, guys. So if you're looking to join the Billiards Club, come to the rec room in the Student Center across in the cafeteria. I'm Shannon Williams. Back to you in the studio.
In case you haven't heard, we're having music days in the cafeteria on Wednesdays and Thursdays at the Student Center. If you have a playlist you would like to submit, please email it to us at tstc_sga@yahoo.com or drop it in our mailbox outside the SGA office.
Remember, there are many events on campus and clubs that you can join to make your college experience fun and fulfilling. Contact us for information on the clubs that are active here on campus.
That is all we have for this week, but before we go, remember, if your club has any announcements, club meeting times, or fundraisers that you would like for us to announce on the TSTC Minute, just call 364-4343 or email the SGA office at tstc_sga@yahoo.com and let us know. We will be glad to help in any way possible.
Until next time, study hard, have fun, and see you on the next episode of the TSTC Minute. Bye.